Today, I have another free AI tool that can convert your simple videos into various styles, including cartoon, anime, pixelated, and more. Previously, I've covered similar tools that eventually required payment, but this new tool is completely free for now and surpasses the others. Introducing Morph Studio, a powerful website that lets you create videos in multiple styles. You can browse examples and templates on their site, categorized into styles like anime, luxury, pixel, cartoon, and cyberpunk. To begin, click the Get Started button and sign up with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a straightforward interface. Click on Create New to start a project, name it, and select the aspect ratio. Options include 16:9, 4:3, 1.1, etc. For this demo, I'll use 16:9. Enter your prompt and click the icon to explore different models like text to video, image to video, and video to video. We'll focus on the video to video model. You can choose from styles such as anime, 3D clay, fantasy, realistic, pixel art, cyberpunk, and oil painting. Set the video duration and style strength, where lower value mean less stylized and higher values more stylized. I usually keep it around 0.5. Upload your video by clicking the upload icon, select your desired style. I'll choose anime for this demo, and click the star icon to generate the video. The process takes some time as the job queues. Once ready, you can reprompt, regenerate, change the style, or transform the video. To export, click the dot icon, connect it to the export section, and then click the export button to download. I also compared Morph Studio with another tool called synchronization. Remember, Morph Studio is free at the moment, but may introduce a premium plan in the future. Take advantage of this opportunity and try it out. The link is in the description. Please share your experiences and results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.